This video is part of a larger piano course that you can get online. Find out more at the end of this video. This module, the second module, we're going to be talking about note values and rhythm, kind of how long you hold notes. Of course, it's important to know what note you're supposed to play when you're playing a piece. Some notes you have to hold longer than others in music. And so today we're going to talk about how to recognize these kinds of notes in music. We're going to focus on three kinds of notes. We're going to focus on the quarter note, which is 1 beat, the half note, which is 2 beats, and the whole note, which is 4 beats. This can be a little bit confusing at first. When I say beat, what do I mean? Well, a beat is kind of like a second. You know how a minute is full of 60 seconds? And whenever you count seconds, they move at a very regular pace, right? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. So seconds, they never go too faster than they go. They never go slower than they're supposed to go. They're always 60 seconds in a minute, and we count time like that. In the same way, beats move at a very steady pace. If you think about like your heart, for example, if you've ever run really fast and put your hand on your chest, you feel your heart beating, right? Sometimes your heart beats very, very fast, like when you're sprinting or something. And it goes like bump, 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 bump. Sometimes when you're resting or relaxed, it beats more slowly, bump, bump, bump. One thing that's always certain if your heart is functioning in a healthy way, that beat is always going to be very, very steady. It's not going to like suddenly speed up on you or skip or anything like that. It'll be just kind of one after the other, like the seconds in a minute. It just keeps moving. In the same way, some songs are really fast and have a really fast beat. They go like, da, 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 da. Some songs are really slow. No matter what the speed of the beats, which we call tempo, no matter what the tempo is, the quarter note is always worth 1 of those beats. The half note is always worth 2 of those beats. And the whole note is always going to be held for 4 of those beats. So if this is a little bit confusing, I'm going to take it to a program here to sort of help explain it a little bit more. Here we have a set of notes that we call quarter notes. They're those filled in notes with little stems going up. And there are 11 of them. You can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And so quarter notes, like I said, they're only 1 beat. So let's say we have a song going at this speed. About that fast. Then these notes, if played correctly, one after the other, it would be about this speed. Right? Because they're all only 1 beat. So you'd have to hit them on 1 beat. You can't hold it for longer or stuff 2 of them into 1 beat. You just write with the beat because they're all only 1 beat. Another way to think about it is if I count like this: 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So those are called quarter notes. Quarter notes are only 1 beat. Now, if I go a little further down here, we have what we call half notes. Half notes are 2 beats. That means you got to hold them for a little bit longer than just 1 beat. You had to hold them for 1, 2. So let's go back to that beat we had here. This kind of gives us a steady speed to follow. There are 6 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to play these now, and they're 2 beats. So here we go. You notice how you have to hold it down through 2 beats, not just 1 beat. I'm going to count as well this next time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's how half notes work. So I'm going to go a little further down here now. These are whole notes. Whole notes are longer. Whole notes are a whole 4 beats. So you have to wait 4 beats for each of these notes. Here we only have 3 of them, but you've got to hold them for a full 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's bring that beat back. I'm going to count with it the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to play it again, but I'm not going to count. Just kind of hear how long they are. So you can see that each note is held for a different amount of time, and it gets really interesting when you start mixing them together. So here's a list of notes. The first four are quarter notes, so they're pretty quick, right? They're only one beat. Then after those first four notes, we have two notes, and each of them are two beats, right? So two half notes. And then at the very end, we have that whole note that doesn't have any stem going up or down. It's just a circle right there. So let me put the beat back on, and I'll play through this one. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll play that again, but I won't count. So you hear the length of all those notes as you go through. Here we have something a little bit more interesting. We have two quarter notes that are only one beat each. Then you have a third note that you hold for two beats. It's back to two quarter notes and a half note that you hold for two beats, and then two half notes at the very end. Let's see how this would go. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me play it one more time without counting. Below here we have one more rhythm I thought I'd show you. It's a whole note, which is 4 whole beats. That's our first note. And then we keep going. There are 4 quarter notes, so each of those are kind of quick, right? Just they're all one beat. And the last one is 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Depending on how fast the song goes, that'll change sort of how you play these notes. So let's say I've got these quarter notes at the very beginning here. They're only one beat. Now I played it at this speed. But what if we speed it up a little bit? Let's go maybe to this speed, right? And so now it's going to be a little faster. Even though they're quarter notes, they're one beat, it's going to feel faster if the song is faster. So here we go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? The same thing with these ones. If I have a faster beat, then these are going to feel faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And same with these whole notes as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you might be wondering, looking at that music, okay, what are all the extra lines? Why are those notes in all those places? What does all of it mean? We'll get to that at a later module. But for now, just keep in mind that's how rhythm works, at least with those kinds of notes. Now there are other kinds of notes as well. There's some notes that are worth 3 beats, some that are worth 1.5, or maybe some that were worth 6 beats, or there are all sorts of kinds of notes, but these are sort of the first ones you should know. Do you want to learn how to play the piano, but you're not quite sure where to begin? You can get my online course that's for very basic beginner piano students. You'll start out at the beginning by figuring out how to sit at a piano and what finger numbers are, and by the end of the course, you'll be able to play over 100 songs. The course also has self-assessment quizzes so that you can see if you're understanding what it is that you're learning in the video content. I'm offering it at a very affordable price. You can check it out at the link in the description below.